Hey guys, it's me, Miss Kelley, and I'm back with the next edition of How to Make a Glitter Calm Down Jar. So everybody's got a little anxiety right now, and that's normal, but it's always fun to shake up some glitter and watch it fall. So we are going to have a little show today on how to make a glitter calm down jar. So you'll need some things. You will need clear glue. You don't need this big old jar. I just have a lot. You need lots of glitter. You want to try to get the bigger glitter rather than the fine particles. And if you got some sequins lying around, maybe some of those. The bigger the glitter particles, the longer it takes to simmer down, okay? And that part's fun to watch. All right, so you also need hot water. So make sure you have an adult to help you so you don't burn yourself, but just kitchen sink hot water, no big deal. First step is you're going to get a jar or a water bottle or just something with a lid and make sure that the lid can stay shut. So you're going to take the jar and you are going to fill it with the glue. Again, you don't need this big jug. You just need it to have clear glue. You're going to fill the jar about halfway full. And you could do a little math lesson with what's halfway. What does about mean and why do we round? How do you eyeball things? So make things math lessons. Then you're going to pour in the hot water. Pouring. Okay, notice I didn't fill it all the way up because I need room to stir in the glitter. Then just get yourself a little stick and you're going to stir and kind of activate the glue and the water together. Stirring. Bring it a little closer. Still stirring. You notice how the glue is kind of dissolving into the water. That's what you want. The fun part's coming, I promise. All right, I'm gonna pull out my stick, but it's coming back out. I decided to make another blue one because I had a lot of blue glitter, so let's put in some blue. Guys, not too much, because you gotta see what kind of effect the kind of glitter you have has on the mixture. So you put some in, you stir it up. Let's add some sequins. Ooh, this will be fun. Ooh. Adding sequins, just a few. I have a little plate underneath me. That way I'm catching all the stuff and not ruining my area. So I'm gonna stir the sequins. They kind of just stay on the top and that's okay. Keep adding glitter though. I really think I want some more blue. Notice I'm just kind of pouring glitter, checking my mixture. You make it look like you want it to. But what's important is that you stir it up every time. If you don't stir it up, the glitter will get all clumpy. I think we need some iridescent. You can look that word up. I think that's one of the teacher's word in the wild. Iridescent. What does that word mean? Ooh, it's gonna shine like you. Ooh, now I want some silver. Just giving it a little frozen appeal. I like it. That just makes me feel calm looking at it. Notice I haven't added any more glue. I haven't added any more water. All I'm doing right now is adding glitter. I love these big chunks. Those are next. Okay, stir it all up. And then finally, put the lid on. Make sure it's tight. Shake it up. And you have a glitter calm down jar. Stay well.